Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Aria and welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a sweet, simple makeup for Rakhi, which is around the corner. So if you are ready, let's just get into the video. So guys, the first product that I'm gonna use is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. So I'm gonna take a little bit of product on my hand and then using my fingertips I am gonna apply it all over my face, and then using my hands I am gonna blend the primer entirely on my face and not to forget my neck area. And then I'm gonna use the foundation by Maybelline, and this is their Matte Plus Poreless foundation in the shade 310 that. And then I'm going to take a little amount of the product on back of my hand, and I'm taking literally a very less amount of the foundation, and then using the beauty blender I am gonna blend the entire foundation on my face. And I have taken a little product because I want my base to be very subtle and neutral. And next I am going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal as a concealer. And I am going to conceal only the inner and outer corner of my eyes and the blemishes that I have around my mouth. And then I'm going to blend it using again the beauty blender. And then for my brows I'm using this Faces Canada Ultine Pro eyebrow pencil in brown shade, and at first I am just going to brush my eyebrows to make the shape a little bit perfect, and then I will gradually fill up the spaces in between and make an outline of my eyebrow using the same pencil. And then for a final touch up I will just brush off the unnecessary products. Next I'm going to use this palette by Makeup Revolution, and this is again the palette that I used in my last video, and I'm going to use this two colors. For my entire eyelid I am going to use the light pink shade on both of my eyes. And then I'm going to use the dark purple color for my lower lash line to create a smoky effect. I will also apply it in the outer corner of the eyes. Well, this is how my eyes look after using the eyeshadow palette. And then I'm going to use the Attitude Kajal in black shade for my lower lash line. So this is my final eye makeup. And now I'm going to use this contour palette by Maybelline, and I am only going to use the bronzer and the blush from this palette. then I'm gonna use this highlighter palette by Lakme Absolute, and this is their Moonlit highlighter. And also I'm just going to use the light color on the higher points of my face. And then to finish up my look, I am going to use this Lakme Absolute lipstick, and this is their matte one. Also, this is kind of pink in color, so I am just going to dab it on my entire lip because I don't want the color to be dark. So guys, this is gonna be my look for Raksha Bandhan this year, and I hope you guys really enjoyed my video. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you really liked it, and also do follow me on my social media handles, and also don't forget to watch my other videos. So guys, take care, bye.